Are you struggling to build better habits? நீங்கள் ஒரு புது ஹேபிட் வந்துட்டு ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணலாம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு நினச்சிருப்பீங்க. பட் ஆனால் வந்துட்டு ஃபார் சம் ரீசன்ஸ் நீங்கள் நடுவில் குவிட் பண்ணியிருக்கலாம். ஃபார் வாட் எவர் ரீசன், ரைட்? We are not able to continue the habit. Do you know why this is happening? Do you want to understand the root cause? And do you want a better system to build a habits for yourself? Well, I have a good news for you. In this video, I'm going to talk about the habit building formula, okay, which I have discovered recently. It has a tremendous potential to change your life. If you want to build a good habits, this is the only system you need. Okay. Hi, I'm Dr. Karuna. I'm a veterinarian turned salary growth expert. I am on a mission to help working professionals and job seekers get their dream job, dream salary, and dream promotion. Okay. Let's get started on this video. So before I even get started on the video, see, I want to establish the context, right? Okay. So there are some concepts you need to understand before I even start to give about the systems of building habits, the process to build habits. Okay. See, the concepts are habits. We are all creatures of habits. Okay. 95% of what we say, think, feel, and do is the result of habit. Okay. Habits can make us or break us. What's the difference between successful people and failure people? Okay. People who are successful, they have successful habits. People who are not successful, they do not have successful habits. Very, very plain and simple. If you want to become successful, copy what other successful people do. If you do not want to become successful, don't do that. Okay. So it is easier said than done. Okay. சக்ஸஸ்ஃபுல் பீப்புளை அவங்களுடைய ஹேபிட்ஸ் எல்லாம் வந்துட்டு காப்பி பண்ணுங்க அப்படின்றது ரொம்ப ஈஸியாக சொல்லிடலாம். பட் அதை இம்ப்ளிமெண்ட் பண்ணி ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணுறது தான் கஷ்டம். ஓகே, ஐ நோ தட் ஃபார் ஷுர் பிகாஸ் ஐ ஹவ் ஸ்ட்ரகிள்ட் எ லாட் இன் மை இனிஷியல் ஏர்லி கரியர் ஸ்டேஜஸ். ஓகே, படிக்கணும்னு தெரியும் ஆனால் படிக்க முடியாது. காலையில் சீக்கிரம் எழுவணும்னு தெரியும் ஆனால் நம்மளால் எழுவ முடியாது. ஓகே, லைக் திஸ், ரைட்? தெர் ஆர் மோஸ்ட் இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் திங்ஸில் தான் மார்னிங் ஒர்க் பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னு தெரியும், ஒர்க் பண்ண முடியாது. ப்ரொக்ராஸ்டினேட் பண்ணக்கூடாதுன்னு தெரியும், வி ப்ரொக்ராஸ்டினேட். சோஷியல் மீடியா யூஸ் பண்ணால் டைம் வேஸ்ட் ஆகுதுன்னு தெரியும், ஆனால் சோஷியல் மீடியா யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். ஓகே, லைக் திஸ், ரைட்? தெர் ஆர் ஹண்ட்ரட்ஸ் அண்ட் அதர்ஸ் ஆஃப் திங்ஸ். இது பண்ணணும்னு தெரியும், பட் ஆனால் நம்மளால் கரெக்டாக பண்ண முடியாது. ஓகே, do you know why this is happening? Definitely there is a root cause to it. Okay, but to get to the root cause and to have ஒரு better system, ஒரு better process நம்மக்கிட்ட இருந்தது அப்படின்னா அந்த ஹேபிட் பில்டிங்காக it will save our life. Okay, this is the principle. System works, people fail. If you let people on their own, people will invariably fail. But if you allow the people to follow the system will take care of itself, the process will take care of itself. If people follow the system will do their work and people will succeed. Okay, so the principle is system works, people fail. Okay, so let's get started on the video on how to build better habits. Okay, let me share the template and process on how to do this. Okay, see, the first step when it comes to habit building is you need to understand this is the 6-step formula. Okay, you need to exactly follow whatever I'm sharing, and this is the proven, time tested, battle tested. You just need to follow the system. Okay, don't overthink it. Okay, so the first step to build super duper habits is you need to make a decision. For example, every day morning 5:30 எழுணும் அப்படின்னா you need to take the decision of from tomorrow onwards I'm going to get up at 5:30 a.m. every single morning. That's the decision. Okay, see, most people, right, we don't take a decision. ஓகே, எங்கள் டெசிஷன் எடுத்துகிட்டு நம்ம ஃபாலோ பண்ணல அப்படின்னா நம்ம வந்துட்டு பேடாக ஃபீல் பண்ணுவோமோ அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு மோஸ்ட்லி டெசிஷன் எடுக்க மாட்டோம். ஓகே, ஸோ டேக் த டெசிஷன் ஃபர்ஸ்ட். தட் இஸ் வெரி வெரி இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். ஓகே, மேக் எ டெசிஷன். Indecision is a disease. Okay, I would say indecision is a disease. Take the decision of what habit you need to build. Either it's a reading habit, learning habit, early morning rising habit, exercise பண்ணணும், whatever it is, right? Make the decision and decide when are you going to do it. Okay, what is the decision? Okay, I'll just put here what is the habit you want to adapt and when you want to do it. Decide this. This is the key. Make a decision of what and when. Okay, that's the first step. And second, don't give excuses. No excuses. This is your code of honor. This is the rules you set for yourself. இந்த ஹேபிட், ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் நான் வந்துட்டு மார்னிங் வந்துட்டு 5:30க்கு எழுவ போகிறோம் அப்படின்னா, இந்த மார்னிங் ஹேபிட் நான் எழுவது வந்து ரொட்டீனாக வந்துட்டு நான் வந்துட்டு பண்ணுற வரைக்கும், அட்லீஸ்ட் ஃபார் த நெக்ஸ்ட் 30 days to 90 days, இது எனக்குள்ள ரொட்டீனாக வந்துட்டு ஒரு ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்காக ஆறு வரைக்கும் ஐ வில் நாட் ஸ்கிப், ஐ வில் நாட் கிவ் எனி எக்ஸ்கியூசஸ். மேபி நீங்கள் லேட்டாக தூங்கலாம், மேபி உங்களுக்கு வந்துட்டு கிளைண்ட்டுக்கிட்ட வந்துட்டு ஓவர் ஒர்க் இருக்கலாம், மேபி வாட் எவர் யூ டூ ரைட், மேபி யூ வாட்ச் மூவி, okay, maybe you go out with friends and drink, or whatever you do crazy things, right? Whatever it is, right? You just, I am not going to give any excuses until I make this as a automatic habit. Okay, this is the rules. Okay, ஒரு நாள் கூட நான் கேப் விட மாட்டேன். Every single day I'm going to do this until it becomes automatic habit in myself. அந்த firm decision, அந்த நான் எக்ஸ்கியூஸே கொடுக்க மாட்டேன் ஒரு நாள் கூட, சாட்டர்டே சண்டே ஆனால் எனக்கு லீவ் இந்த ஹேபிட்டுக்கு அப்படின்னா, தட்ஸ் நாட் கோயிங் டு ஒர்க். ஓகே, யூ நீட் டு டூ இட் எவ்ரி சிங்கிள் டே லைக் கிளாக் ஒர்க். ஓகே, கடிகாரம் வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா முழு சுத்தத்து நிற்காது, இட்ஸ் லைக் ஆட்டோமேட்டிக், ரைட்? லைக் திஸ், இஃப் யூ வாண்ட் டு பில்ட் a habit that is automatic, you should not skip a day. That is key. Okay, no excuses. Okay, never give an excuses. That's the second step. Okay, you need to take the decision part of it. Okay, and the third step is make it public. Okay, see, the number one fear of people is public humiliation. Okay, death comes next after this. Okay, மற்றவங்க முன்னாடி நம்ம அசிங்கப்படக்கூடாது, அதுதான் நம்மளுடைய நம்பர் ஒன் ஃபியர். ஓகே, அதனால் வந்துட்டு கான்ஷியஸ்லி வாட் யூ வில் டூ, make the decision what is the habit you are going to do, when are you going to do, and you are not going to make any excuses. And இந்த ஹேபிட்டை வந்து நான் வந்துட்டு இந்த டைமில் பண்ண போகிறேன், டெய்லி பண்ண போகிறேன், வீக்லி பண்ண, வாட் எவர் இட் இஸ், ரைட்? ஜஸ்ட் அனௌன்ஸ் இட் டு த பப்ளிக். ஓகே, see, for me, right, when I started to build business, I announced to my community members, I'm going to do every Monday at 8 p.m. call and every Thursday at 8 p.m. call. Okay, and I'm going to do every Sunday webinar. This is the public announcement. Everybody in my community or everybody in my email list or subscribers, they know what they're expecting from me because I announced it public. If I'm not doing that, my community members and my subscribers are going to question me. I don't want that to happen, so I consciously do it every single week. Okay, so for example, if you do not have community or whatever, like if you do not have something like that, you just announce it to your family members, you just announce it to your colleagues, you just announce it to your friends, or you just announce it to the Facebook. Okay, Facebookல ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, நான் இந்த மாதிரி தான் பண்ண போறேன், இந்த மாதிரி தான் மாற போறேன் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு, just make a video or make a post, whatever it is, right? Just make it public so that people will know what are you doing and people will know what is expected of you. Okay, if you make it public, there is a power to it. Okay, for launching courses also, I just make a decision of what's the date I'm going to launch and I just announce it to my community members. Okay, in that way I am on a pressure because I announced it to my community. I do not want to become fool in front of my community members. For that reason I'm going to do it. It's a very, very good hack. Okay, just make it public whatever you want to do. Okay, this will put you on your toes. You cannot become, you will never give excuses. Okay, another tip. Okay, when I am working with my previous organization, okay, every single day I need to go for a walk with my boss. Okay, my boss knows that and I knows that. Okay, because of that one commitment, I used to go for a walk every single day. No excuses. Okay, I never missed a single day. Even if I'm missing on even one day, I just informed to my boss previously. In that way, there is some form of accountability you are establishing with other people. Okay, good, right? This is the very, very powerful thing. This has completely, it has changed my life. That's the third step. And fourth step is, and by the way, do not fear If you're not following it, just admit that you're not following it. Okay, and make sure you're doing it from the next time. Okay, that's the third step. And fourth step is practice mental exercise. This is very, very important. For example, if you want to start exercise, or if you want to start reading every single day, okay, make a mental exercise. Practice this. What is this mental exercise? It is affirmation and visualization. I said right, success is mental. Habits are also mental. It should be mentally created first, then you can execute it physically. Okay, for example, if you want to get up at 5:30 a.m. every morning, okay, I get up at 5:30 a.m. every single morning. Repeat it for 20 times for the next 20 days. It's going to internalize. The habit is going to internalize within you. I get up at 5:30 a.m. every single morning. Repeat it in the morning as soon as you get up, and repeat it before you go to the bed. This way, you are consciously injecting your thought and plan into your subconscious mind. When your subconscious mind is registered, then your subconscious mind will wake you up at exactly at 5:30 a.m. or before that. This is the very, very cool habit hack. Okay, and visualize yourself every morning that visualize yourself every day that you are easily get up at without any effort, you are easily getting up at 5:30 a.m. Just combine this affirmation and visualization exercise. Okay, this is a very, very powerful thing. Most people will not practice this because of this. See, if your subconscious is not registered, then consciously it will become very difficult for you. If you are practicing both mental exercise and along with whatever I'm going to do, right, it's going to be very, very simple and easy for you. Okay, but if you're not practicing mental exercise, it's going to be hard work for you, because this is developing your self concept. Okay, you are repeating to yourself, this is the kind of person you are. I'm a runner, I'm a learner, I'm a great salesman, I'm a great communicator. Okay, when you're repeating this, whatever habit you want to form, right, when you're repeating this internally within your mind, when you're creating mental images, when you're visualizing yourself as that kind of person, that's going to change the game for you. Okay, this is the very, very simple, but it's very, very powerful thing. Okay, most people will not do this. Okay, if you just do practice this, this is the, I would say this is the 60 to 80% of your success when it comes to habit building. Okay, this fourth step. Okay, and fifth step is you need to review, okay, through tracker, habit tracker. For example, you want to get up at 5:30 a.m. every single day. What I will do typically, if I am like you, I'll just make a tabular column. Okay, 30 days. Okay, getting up at 6:30 a.m. every morning. That's the habit I want to follow. And Monday, Thursday, I'll put date line. Okay, 1 30 வரைக்கும். இன்னைக்கு இந்த ஹேபிட்டை நான் பண்ணனா இல்லையா, பண்ண அப்படின்னா டிக்கு, பண்ணல அப்படின்னா கிராஸ் மார்க். வெரி, வெரி சிம்பிள். ஓகே, நீங்கள் பண்ணுறீங்களோ இல்லையோ, இஃப் யூ ஜஸ்ட் கோ அண்ட் மேக் யுவர் செல்ஃப் அக்கௌண்டபிள் எவ்ரி சிங்கிள் டே, this is going to change the game for you, because we do not want to fail. ஓகே, ஐயோ நம்ம இன்னைக்கு பண்ணல அப்படின்னா நம்ம போயிட்டு அதை வந்துட்டு டிக் பண்ணுறப்போ கம்மி பண்ணுறப்போ நம்ம வந்துட்டு கில்ட்டியாக ஃபீல் பண்ணணும். Okay, and we do not want to feel guilty about ourselves. That is the reason we actually do this, we actually practice this. Okay, this is the absolute game changer. You become accountable to yourself. Just track it, whether you are doing it or not. Just make it an accountable. This is your personal accountability system. Okay, this, if you just implement this, it's going to become very, very easier for you to build any habit. Okay, and do not practice 10 habits at a time. Okay, just select one habit, make it an automatic, then afterward you can build one habit after next. Okay, so that's the fifth one. Very, very powerful, right? And sixth one is celebrate all your wins. Okay, when you complete all these things, when you are doing it every single day, celebrate your wins. Maybe you reward yourself. You can reward yourself a biryani, you can reward yourself any gifts, okay, whatever, right? But celebrate your wins. Okay, just a quick recap of whatever we have seen right so far. Okay, if you want to build a great habit, okay, make a decision first. What is the habit and when are you going to do it? What's the schedule? Okay, time, decide the time. Second, decide that you are not going to give any excuses. Okay, don't skip a day. Okay, practice every day that. Third, announce it to public. Fourth, practice mental exercise, very, very powerful. Fifth, review it every single day, daily review through tracker. Sixth, finally celebrate your wins. This is a very, very important step, by the way. Okay, most people they don't celebrate their wins. If you're not celebrating, you're not acknowledging your success. Acknowledging your success is very, very important for you to continuously growing in your life, continuously growing in your career also. Okay, so with that being said, how do you feel? Okay, do you think this is helpful to you? Okay, if you feel this is helpful to you, okay, I'm going to welcome you to my free masterclass. Okay, where I'm going to talk to you about how you can double your salary every single year. Okay, where I'm going to teach you how I went from 2 lakh to 20 lakh CTC in just 5 years. Okay, that's my mission, right? If you are a job seeker or working professional, please attend my masterclass so that you can go to the career at next level. Okay, attend the masterclass, become a silver member and get started on the journey. Okay, if you're already part of my community, I suggest you can upgrade your membership to gold or diamond. Okay, because gold is where the leadership, management and advanced communication things are I'm talking about. And if you really want to move to the next level, you just continuously level up. Okay, there is never stop learning. That's the fundamental principle in life. Okay, if you are my community member, you are already doing that. You are a lifelong learner, otherwise you will not be in the community. Okay, so if you're not a part of my community, please attend my masterclass and join the community. If you're already part of my community, just upgrade to the next level. Okay, and if you're watching this video so far, just subscribe to this channel if you're not yet subscribed this channel so far, and hit the like button and hit the notification button so that you will get notified on my future videos. Okay, and the most important thing is, what is the one habit you want to implement this week? Okay, what is the one habit you want to implement this week by following this process, by following this methodology, whatever you learned today? Okay, so learning and not doing equals not knowing. If you are learning here and not doing means you better not learn it. Okay, அதனால கத்துக்கிட்டீங்க அப்படின்னா please go and implement. That's my only request. Okay, so comment below, what is the one habit are you going to implement after watching this video? Okay, I look forward to read your comments and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.